Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 3500 Laramie in two-tone with white exterior, black leather interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box with a hard canopy. It also is a 4x4 with a 6.7 liter turbo diesel V6 engine, and it also has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered and has memory for 2 different driving positions. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and you have power pedals. You also have your lighting controls located here. When you get in, you'll notice on the face of the steering wheel, you have your hands-free dialing as well as cruise control. There's also volume control buttons that are on the underside here that you can push for your media. And this is a push start, so you can put your foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and push the engine start. On the dash, you're going to see any important messages. As well, there's a menu that you can toggle through for different things like fuel economy, and you can go into your vehicle info, speedometer, screen setup, stored messages, audio, trailer tow, trip B, and trip A. And I've just gone around backwards there. You have an automatic shifter, that's select shifter, and in the center you've got a little bin to put things in, and you've also got a display screen that you can touch, so things like your map for navigation, your radio, you have AM, FM, CD player, satellite Sirius radio, and you've also got your climate control, heated and cooled seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, and there's your navigation again. As well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see the backup camera view, and you've got the lines there to let you know how close you are to things. And you've got your hazard lights, volume and tuner, and dual climate control for both driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, as well as your AC. And then below that you have your traction control, tow haul, exhaust brake, and then the park sensors for the rear and the front you can turn off. And there's your heated and cooled seats, as well as heated steering wheel again for driver and passenger, so you can control it on the screen or you can control it down there. You have 4x4 with locking differential, and you also have an integrated trailer brake controller, as well as a 12 volt. There's a 115 and another 12 volt down below. And in the center you have a seat, and below that you have more storage underneath. And then you can take the seat right down. You've got an armrest with cup holders in it and more storage in here. Off to the side you have a glove compartment, and up above an auto dimming rear view mirror, garage door opener. This slides the back window for you, and there's your lighting controls. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic cab steps, chrome door handle with intelligent access, driver's side fuel cap. In the back, I've opened up the canopy window for you, and it also has its backup camera just below the handle, backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, as well as a trailer hitch. And then when you open up the latch on the tailgate, you're going to notice that inside it's nicely lined, and there's tie downs in all 4 corners. And on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. I brought the seat up because I wanted to show you how this works. So there's little feet on this pad here, and that's so you can put cargo down in a flat area, and then you flip it around, fold the feet down, and then you can bring the seat down. You're seeing there's a light at the top. That's pretty smart. There's also a couple of cup holders that are located in the center there, and then you have an armrest that comes down, and it also has a couple of cup holders. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, as well as all-weather mat on the floor there, and you have grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. In the back up above, lighting and hooks, and you also have a sliding window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 6.5-foot box, canopy, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, H.I.D headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.